Hey Nash, what should we make?
Let's make honey garlic chicken, but let's make a baked version so it's a little healthier.
All right, let's make some baked honey garlic chicken. Today, we're gonna make a slightly healthier version of a Chinese classic you've probably had at Chinese restaurants or made yourself, I don't know. But either way, today we're gonna make baked honey garlic chicken. It's gonna come together quick, it's gonna be delicious. And like I said, it's a healthier option for a delicious dish. So without further ado, let's go. Start with a few chicken breasts. I'm just gonna trim this extra fat off. Then we're just gonna cut these chicken breasts into about 1-inch cubes, bite-sized pieces, you know. Preheat your oven to 375. Then we got 2 stations. We got our seasoned egg, seasoned panko. So we're just gonna throw these guys in there, make sure everything gets covered. And then we just toss them into the panko. Again, get everything covered. And then we put them on a rack in a pan. Once our guys are all breaded, we go ahead and toss them in the oven for about 20 minutes until the chicken's cooked through. Then to a sauce pot on medium heat, we're gonna make our sauce while our chicken cooks. We add a 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a few cloves of minced garlic, some sriracha or some gochujang if you like a little kick, salt, and pepper to taste. And then we stir this around, heat it up until everything incorporates, and then let it cook for a minute or two just so it starts to thicken a little bit. Once your sauce is thickened to your liking, you can go ahead and kill the heat and set it aside until your chicken's done cooking. Once your chicken's cooked and it's reached temp of 160 to 165, transfer it to a bowl, pour our sauce in. And then you either toss or gently stir until everything is covered while your chicken's coated. And once everything is evenly coated, we're ready to plate. Now you could serve this with like a white rice or a brown rice. In fact, you should, but Nash and I are trying to do as low carb as possible lately, so we're just gonna eat this straight. But I recommend that you eat this with white or brown rice, unless you're in the same situation as I am and you're trying to be kind of super low carb and healthy. And then we put some toasted sesame seeds on here. And there we have our chaos take on healthy honey garlic chicken. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's sweet, it's savory, it's spicy, it's got a little bit of umami. It's just like an explosion of flavor in your mouth. But like I said, this would be probably even better if you served it with some green onions and a little bit of rice. Over a bed of rice with some green onions. Freaking delicious. It packs a punch of flavor. It's pretty easy to make. It's delicious. It tastes like something that's not healthy, but yet it still is pretty healthy. Yeah, it's still breaded, but you know, we baked it with the panko. You're not getting a whole lot of breading on there. Anyways, pretty healthy, sensible, yet freaking delicious with tons of flavor. So 10 out of 10 would highly recommend. Within the health, you know, obviously deep fried would probably taste a little bit better, but this is pretty darn close. So we accomplished what we were trying to accomplish. Anyways, go make this. But before you do that, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
Wondering why I'm still wearing a Christmas bandana, but other than that, all good.
We got this baked honey garlic chicken that you wanted. Here you go. Oh, you were already drooling before I even gave that to you. What do you think?
Crispy chicken with a delicious sauce, full of flavor, and we didn't even deep fry it.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
The only way to keep your health is to eat what you don't want, drink what you don't like, and do what you'd rather not.
Nash approves. I approve. Look, this is a delicious dish. Another dish that we managed to make fairly healthy, pretty darn healthy, I would say, but still delicious. So it tastes almost exactly like the original dish, but you're saving yourself a bunch of calories. So, hey, it's January. We're still trying to be healthy. Super Bowl's coming up, so that's going to change. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe. subscribe. It would help us out. It'd mean a lot. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, just go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there is anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Till next time, peace.